Hello and welcome to my channel. I found my March mystery box and I know that it's several months past the mystery box. We're in June now, but I am going to be putting page kits together with this kit. So I'm just going to do a real quick unboxing because I haven't seen it. I don't even know what it looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Let me get this box out of the way. Oh, I had sat this on my shelf and unfortunately I got busy doing other things and looking at my newer mystery boxes, and I missed this one. So let's go through this real quick and then we'll put some page kits together and then we'll put the pages together. And those will be 3 separate videos. That's how I like to do my videos. I'll introduce you to the collection. Then we'll put page kits together in that collection. And then we will do the actual scrapbook pages together from the collection, and that keeps everything organized for me and for you. I want scrapbooking to be something you enjoy doing and something that doesn't take a lot of time, and this process for me saves me so much time. Okay, let's pull it out. Let's see what we got. Oh, I'm sorry. It's just going everywhere. Okay, let's make it pretty, and then I will go through each thing that we get. Let's start with the cards. That's always a good place to start. Let's move these things out of the way. Oh, what a beautiful print. I love these prints. They are so beautiful. Let me turn it around. And they're blank on the inside, but we do get inserts with these cards. Let me see. They're right here, which makes them very elegant to have an insert. I always appreciate that with the card kits from Anna. So here we have the green. We're getting 2 of each. We have this beautiful pink, and I love pink. I get excited over pink. I get excited over color. Another green. Then we have this beautiful purple. Oh, and look at this pink. I love it. And this looks like one of the prints from Phoebe. Love, love, love. Let's put those up there. Okay, then we have the, let's see. Then we have the inserts. Let's go through these. And I know this is an old kit, but not everybody gets mystery kits, and I know that. So this gives you a chance to see what my collection is that I'm going to work with. My heart is grateful for all that you do. That is so sweet. I have to give that one to my husband. He is one of those guys, you know, they say there's 1 in a million. Well, that's him. Celebrate. May you have best day ever. So many of my smiles begin with you. These are hard to get my hands on. Okay, let's turn it around. Wishing you all the best. And again, I love the sentiments that Anna includes in all of her things. You would think I was an affiliate of Anna Griffin, but I am not. Sending a little sunshine to sprinkle in your day, reminding you that you're thought of in a very special way. I love that. But Anna, if you're watching, I'd love to be an affiliate. If you want to sign me up, I would love it. May you have a day that's perfect in every way. And may you have a day that's perfect in every way. I love these sentiments. They're just beautiful. Okay, now this is the die. It's a frame die. And this little, I don't know, it's some kind of emblem. We'll figure it out whenever I start making everything. Then we have the card sentiments. And these can also be used for scrapbook sentiments. So let's see what we have. I love the colors. Okay, wishing you a very happy birthday. Thinking of you. Thank you very much. Thinking of you. With loving wishes. Happy birthday to you. And on this special occasion. Very, very nice. Then we have the foil embellishments. Oh, beautiful. Look, we've got butterflies. I love me some butterflies. I think we all love butterflies. Then we have flourishes. And it looks like we're getting 2 of each in this packet. And on the flourishes, it looks like we're getting left and right, which is exactly what we need. I love it. Anna thinks of everything. Okay, whoops. And there we have butterflies. There we go. Then we have her beautiful bows. I love her bows. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There are a bunch of sticker embellishments in here. And they're flowers. Excuse the noise. Hold on. Ah, these are so beautiful. Okay, we've got yellow roses. I believe those are for friendship. Peach roses. Ugh, look how beautiful they are. And then we have this flower. There's 3 of those. There's a little pink rose. So beautiful. I love roses. I'm so blessed. My husband, he always remembers roses. We just had our 30th anniversary of our first date, and we just got back from our vacation from our 28th anniversary of our wedding. And we went to St. Augustine Beach, and if you've not been there, oh my goodness, I just think you need to go. It's beautiful. It reminds me of the old Florida beaches before they started developing and putting condos everywhere. We stayed in a summer house right on the beach. It was just absolutely beautiful. And that was the first time I had been to that beach. And I am a Florida native. So that's saying something. I thought I had been to all the beaches, but there are so many beaches in Florida. I still have some on my bucket list. Okay. I love this kit. These roses are absolutely stunning. The quality is absolutely impeccable. It is your Anna Griffin quality, no doubt. And you get so many. In the mystery boxes, we don't get a list of how many stickers, embellishments, and pages are in there. We just get the bags of them, and I'm not complaining. I'm so happy to be blessed with these kits. They're under $50, and you get so much. It's just amazing to me. Now we have the paper. Let me see. Let's scooch you up there. There we go. Trying to keep it pretty. And in the paper pack, we have this beautiful green. I love these prints. And it's single-sided. It's white on the back. But these, again, these are that strong paper that, oh my goodness. These are not text weight. These are good, heavy cardstock. Nice pink. And then we have this green. It's kind of an olive green with a sage green background. And then we have these beautiful flowers. Love that. And then we have this beautiful print. This is my favorite one out of the whole kit. And then we have the purple. Okay, so what a beautiful kit that we have. I'm going to make some page kits if you want to watch my next video. And then after we put the page kits together, there will be a video making the different scrapbook pages. And that's just my system. Like I said before, I try to do things in a way that makes it easier and it's simplified, and I can enjoy the creative process. I don't like to have to sit and think about what am I going to put on this page. I do all that ahead of time, and then all I have to do is just get out my adhesive and bring my creative self to the party and enjoy it. And when you watch me do my page kits and then put the pages together, I may or may not add to what I've already put in the page kit. But that's it for this particular collection. Again, thank you so much for coming by and spending time with me today. And I look forward to spending time with you again. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.